On January 23, 2025, the Central Bank of Belize introduced a new family of banknotes. These notes showcase Belize's rich history and include advanced security features to prevent counterfeiting. The designs honor national heroes George Cadell Price, the first Prime Minister, and Philip Goldson, a former representative for Albert. The banknotes are set to be released in mid-2025. Belize has replaced the image of Queen Elizabeth II on its dollar bills with those of national heroes, marking a significant step towards removing colonial remnants. The Queen's image first appeared on Belizean banknotes in 1974. The Central Bank of Belize will introduce $100, $20, and $5 banknotes in mid-2025, featuring George Cadell Price, the first Prime Minister of Belize and a key figure in the country's independence from British rule. This move signifies a significant step towards recognizing national heroes and moving away from colonial symbols by replacing the image of Queen Elizabeth II. The new banknotes will incorporate enhanced security features. The Central Bank of Belize will introduce $50, $10, and $2 banknotes in mid-2025. These notes will feature Philip Goldson, a prominent figure in Belizean politics. He was a founding member of the People's United Party and the United Democratic Party and is revered as a champion of national pride. This change replaces the image of Queen Elizabeth II. The new banknotes will incorporate enhanced security features.